The Jedi would teach us to trust in the Force, and yet they fell, destroyed or in hiding. I am done hiding from the galaxy, from myself. We can't find what we search for if we continue to hide, and it can't find us. There's something there, someone here, something different. It's time to take back control. A time for change. A time to seek the beginning so I may finally bring this cycle to an end. But at what price?